we're back. We're learning XOJO. Um, I got a big project coming up, and I'm learning a brand new software. XOJO, from what it's object-oriented programming. I did this a long time ago with Visual Basic. So I'm just kind of going through the tutorials here. We're going to be doing, this is from the XOJO website. They're doing tutorials. We're going to explore the world of pickers. Um, I'm just assuming you have kind of an intermediate knowledge of databases like I do and these type of things. So we're going to give this a shot. And we're just going to kind of go through the tutorial. But we're going to work on pickers, including checkboxes, radio, buttons, sliders, up-down arrows, and pop-up menus. So let's do it. Here we go. Step one, they want to create a project called options. So we do that. Now we're just going to wait. Yeah. Okay. I'm just checking the monitor here. All right. There we go. Hello. And in window 1, that's us here, we're going to add 3 radio buttons. So radio button 1, 2, and 3. One thing I like is just the fact that I can kind of line these up. I used to be anal about this, and thank God this is here. All right, there we go. 3 buttons. For this exercise, it doesn't matter what you call them, so run the project. So let's save it first. Yeah, okay, so pickers. Odd name. Okay, so open it there. Options. All right, and then it wants us to run it. And it says notice. Whoops, hold on. Notice that when you select one button and then the others, they deselect. So it automatically groups it somehow. How does it know it? I don't know. Quit the application. Suppose you want 2 distinct sets of choices. Imagine you were writing an application that takes sandwich orders and each one. So go back to the, okay, so we're going to give these options. So we're going to come to the inspector here. Call this ham. Turkey. And salami. All right, so here we're going to do that, and then we're gonna add 3 more buttons for cheese. So let's go 1, 2. Okay, hold on 1 second. Hi. Okay, great. Yay. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Okay, bye. Okay, so sorry, try not to reveal too much about my personal life there. Okay, that was the wife. All right, here we go. So we're gonna call this Swiss. Okay, let me. Swiss. Okay, I'm thinking the. Let's turn this up a bit. I don't think you can. Swiss. All right, there you go. That should be better, huh? All right, cheddar, and provolone. All right, so now what it's gonna do here is it's gonna make me run this, just to prove that it doesn't work. That I haven't created 2 distinct. So I choose provolone, but then when I hit salami, provolone disappears. So basically, we had to create 2 distinct option groups. So how do you do this? So how do you determine which radio buttons are related? Well, this is done by looking at the controls parent. So we're going to delete Thanks. We're going to delete all the buttons. And then we're going to add a canvas to Windows 1. So canvas. Group box, canvas, 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 canvas. Okay, so add canvas. Canvas. So this is kind of. So I gotta find canvas. Oh, here it is. Oh, there we go. Canvas. And you can see the definition down here. Canvas controls are very useful for implementing your own graphical controls because you can use the graphics class drawing commands or the to inside. Okay, so I don't know what any of that means, but we're gonna drop the canvas in here. So let's. Okay, I'm gonna assume that I'm gonna need to make it bigger. Then now I'll drop the radio buttons inside the canvas. Alright, so let's line these babies up. Alright, and then we get back to ham. Turkey. Salami. And then let's okay, got that. We'll do the same thing. Let me see. Okay, I may be getting ahead. I think it's okay. So here we go. I'm just saying I'm a little ahead of. I'm jumping ahead and probably shouldn't. Make this pretty. All right, here we go. Back to the inspector, and we have Swiss, cheddar, provolone, provolone, provolone. All right, we're gonna save it and run. See it work. It should work, shouldn't it? I mean, it seems pretty straightforward. So I want a ham sandwich with Swiss. Yeah, there we go. Or provolone with turkey. There we go. Works. Beauty. Okay, now let's take a look at a slider. So okay, so it wants me to. Hey, we're gonna do all this in. We're gonna do this in the same window. It wants me to open a new project, and I'm just being lazy. So let's play the old slider. So the first thing we need is a text field. Text. Okay. And then slider. Okay, so I added, let's see, add text field, add slider. Okay, so here we go. We're going to do an event handler, and when we see value changed, which I guess is the default here, we're going to say text field 1, dot text equals string. So we're gonna turn the string value me dot. So me meaning the slider here. All right. So let's save and run. Okay. There we go. Oh look. There we go. Goes to 100. So sliders go from 0 to 100, or 1 to 100. Nope, 0 to 100. Pretty neat. You like that? Okay, and then you could, let's see, in addition to responding to the user, you can set the value of a slider to your code as well using the syntax. Says we can set the slider value. But when do you do that? Okay. Okay. Anyways, okay, so let's try up down arrows. Okay, so up down arrows. Let's try this. We'll add another text field. Alright. Let's just check the name of it, text field 2. And then up down arrows. Oh, here we go. Up down arrows, that's pretty small. Okay. So we can put that there. This is super tiny. Okay. Okay, so here we go. In the down event, down, we're gonna add this code. All right, so we're gonna establish our variable I as integer. I equals cdb1 dot text field 2 dot text. Okay, so I equals I minus 1 because we're going down. And text field 2 dot text is equal to the string of I. Okay, so CDB1, I don't know what that is, but my guess is maybe that turns whatever text is in field into an integer, maybe. All right, well, we'll know in a moment. Let's go back here. Let's add another event on the up event. I as integer. I equals cdb1 text field 2 dot text. I excuse me. All right, so we got that. Okay, so I don't know what CDB means, and it's probably a good idea for me to know. So we're gonna go to our good old web browser, and let's see, CDB. One, and let's try XOJO. So I don't think that's gonna help me. I think I saw pop down before I hit XOJO. So VBA. What is CDB1? Oh, I kept right in there. Here we go. All right, the converts an expression into a double type. So yeah, so we're basically we're converting, I guess CBL, but CDBL turns a string into a double. Okay, so I was right. So, but I was wrong in the sense of that's L, not I. Let's go back to down. It's L instead of 1. All right. Let's see. Okay, so run the project. Part of me says maybe there needs to be a value in there in the first place. But no, it seems to be working. There you go, look at that. So there's no value on it. Alright, we got it. So I guess part of doing the string is so that the negative number comes out correctly. Alright, we got that one. Alright, let's do a pop-up. Okay. So, let's see. Whoops. There you go. Go back to window. There's our picker. Okay, pop-up. Combo box. Is that right? Pop-up menu. There we go, pop-up menu. Now I'm just being lazy. I don't know where I'm putting these things. Okay, so we've added the pop-up. We're doing on open. On open? I guess. Okay. E.add row pop up menu dot text area. These are all expressions, so e.add row. I'm just gonna copy it one more time. Oops. And this keyboard where they put a function key where the control key normally goes, and so I've been hitting function key a lot. Up. Window. Okay. Okay. And then, okay, so we got that. Now we're going to add a change event. So we're going to add an event handler again. Event handler on change. Message box. You have chosen me dot list dot me dot list index plus period. So, all right. So run the project. There we go. Pop up. Ah, I chose pop up. I chose up down arrows. Nice. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, the add row method takes a string as a parameter, as its parameter. The string is the text that appears for the item menu. Add row will always add a menu item to the end of the list. Inst row takes two parameters. First, okay, so All right. So there we go. All right. So that's that. We're gonna. Okay, so that's basic pickers, and now the next time we're going to bring it all together. All right. So let's give. We'll end this one here. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you're learning a few things. Bye.